Hello programmer, welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you about an array. Now what is an array? Array is a variable that stores values, but unlike other variable, array can store multiple values in a single variable. For example, if we have to store the name of a student without an array, then we have to write student1 Nauraj, student2 Bob, student3 Rita. And from these three students, if I have to find the name of one specific student, then that was not so hard for us. But imagine there are 300 students rather than 3. Then we have to write 300 lines of code to store the name of a student, and again 300 lines of code to access the name. But instead of writing that huge number of code, we can use array which use just one variable, and we can store the name of student, either they are 3, 300 or 3000, no matter. Now to declare the array variable, we have to write var, then the name of array, and here we are making an array for a student, so student equal to square bracket, then inside a square bracket we have to write the name of student Nauraj, then separate by comma Bob, Rita and Sarah. Now the question is how we can access the name of a student, and we can access the name of a student by using their index value, and we start counting index number from 0. So the first array element Nauraj has the index value 0, Bob has 1, Rita has 2 and Sarah has 3. So if I want to access Nauraj, then I have to write student 0, and in the same way student 2 means Rita. Okay, now let's print the value of array. Document dot write student 0. Save this, and here is Nauraj. If we change the value to 3, we get Sarah. But if we only write the name of array, and we got all the name of student in the array. And this much for this tutorial. Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon.